Okay, let's go look at a couple more ways that we can monetize our site. Now, I mentioned CPA offers through Max Bounty. This is a really good way to do it. When you apply, just point them to your site that you just created. You can just, in the comments, just tell them it's a new site and you're new at CPA offers, but you want to get started. You won't have any problem getting accepted. Okay, then what you want to do is you want to go in and you want to search for offers. So we'll go to search campaigns. And then you can go through here and do a search, but wherever parameters you want to use up here. Okay, so it doesn't really matter whether you have any of these checked because we aren't going to use this. We're going to be strictly promoting from our blog. But over here, you can go and you can pick a category, and this is going to help quite a bit. So the ones that convert the easiest are the email submits. So if we click on that, we'll just do a search campaigns. And then we can go and we can find some in here that might work for us. Now, unfortunately, email submits are also the lowest paying. So see if you can find one that fits in with your site. Okay, so I'm going to put on this. I'm going to look at this Halloween candy survey, and it'll bring up some information for us here. You can click and you can see what the merchant is offering there. Just by clicking on that, you get the page that they will see. Okay, and it's a simple email submit. Enter your email, choose your favorite candy, and submit. That's all there is to it. You get paid if they do that. Okay, here's the terms over here. No incentivized traffic, no email submits, no email marketing, and then you can use these other ones. So that's okay for us. We get $1.10 per lead. So we can go down here and we can get our text link. Okay, so I'm just going to get this tracking code here. It pops up a little window for us. I'm going to grab this and copy. Now, I can put this on my site anywhere I want, but what I'm going to do is I'm going to put it so it shows up on every page. And I do that exactly the same way as we put our AdSense code on there. So we go back to our cPanel, File Manager, and then we make our way to where our site is, which is making candy. IP-content, themes, into our theme, single. This is exactly where we did our AdSense code, and we can edit the file. Now maybe instead of this top block, we want to remove that and put our CPA offer in there. Or what we can do is we can just put it underneath the AdSense code. Okay, so put a couple line breaks in and paste the code in there and save. Okay, now let's go have a look here. Let's just refresh this page here. Okay, there it is. Vote now to get $100 worth of candy free. Okay, so it shows up, and it will show up on every post, just like our AdSense code. Now we'll probably also want to put that on our home page as well. So we go to our site admin, go to pages, and edit our home page. Okay, so we'll decide where we're going to put it. Let's put it right above the image here. Paste our code in there, and we'll update the page. View the site. And there it is there. Okay, so that's how you can sneak your CPA offers in there. You might want to find one more to sneak in there as well. Maybe put it inside the front page somewhere, or underneath this ad, or above this one. Okay, now the next thing we can do is put in here an affiliate offer for an affiliate product, such as maybe a cookbook or something off ClickBank. You can do this if you want, and it's easy to do. We'll just go and get our hop link from a ClickBank product. We'll go to the ClickBank marketplace. Okay, and then we'll find a product. Let's see if we can find one that fits. Okay, so here's a couple down here. So I'm going to do this. Start your own home-based candy bouquet business. So all we have to do, well, you'd look at the pitch page, of course, see what it looks like. If you like that, just go ahead and get your hop link here. Create hop link. Put your ClickBank nickname in here and a tracking ID if you want, and create. Okay. Okay, so we'll grab this hop link, copy it, and now we can put this on our site. Let's go to the back end here. Let's go to site admin. And we go to appearance, widgets. Now we want to put links over here. Okay, and we're going to put that here. Save. Now what we need to do is go to links. You need to delete all of these that are in here now. So delete and apply. And now we need to add a new link. So first let's do a link category. Let's create a category called recommended resources. Add the category. Then we want to go add new link. Okay. And here we put create your, let's paste the web address in here first. Okay, then let's go back and get the description from here. We'll copy this. Copy. We'll paste our description in here. There we go. Okay, click on recommended resources there. And click _blank here to open in a new window. And then that's it. Now we can add the link. Now let's go look at our site here. Okay, so there's our Google link. Here's our recommended resources with our affiliate link, and we click that. It opens in a new window to our product. Then we keep going down here with our AdSense and so on. Okay, that's it. Our site is now all monetized and we're ready to start sending traffic to our site. And we'll go over traffic generation in the next video.